Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're doing any kind of electrical installation, then having a conduit reamer is super important. And this one from Klein tools makes really quick work of any big job. So this is actually a power conduit reamer. You use it with your power drill and it is super easy to use. So this is great because it's compatible with 1/2, 3/4, or 1-inch EMT. And it makes your job a lot easier when you have long runs of conduit that you need to grind down those sharp edges so that you can run your wires. So it comes with the blades, and you can also install new ones if you need to really easily. And once you have this onto your power drill, within just a couple of seconds, you have a really great result. And your pipes have really smooth edges, and that's exactly what you want. So if you're looking for a really quick way to prep your conduit for a run, then definitely check out this Klein Tools Conduit Reamer. It's a super handy tool, and that's my point of view.